This is my list of 5 best OBD2 scanners under $100. So if you are looking for some inexpensive device that still will be more advanced than some ELM adapter or code reader, but you don't want to pay a lot, this list is for you. So at number 5 we have Mukar Driver Scan. Mukar Driver Scan is full system scanner, so that means it can go over every control module in your car, you can read live data, you can read fault codes, and you can erase faults in every system. It is also bidirectional, so you can test components only with your scan tool, and you can do that in every control module. So in engine you are testing stuff like relays, engine fan, EGR valve, whatever that is, that depends on your car model, which tests are supported. Or in body module you can test stuff like your headlights, lamps, gongs, or even horn. So given that it only costs about $60, it is very advanced, and it even has 15 service procedures. So this is like force DPF regeneration, ABS bleeding, matching new battery, steering angle sensor calibration. You have 15 of these service resets you can use. So just this little adapter with functionality, it is comparable with more expensive scan tool. And then driver scan will give you some extra options. For example, on mine screen you can use VE test, and this is something like test for your engine. So just from this data, the VE test will calculate if your engine is in good shape. Now for about $60, this scanner seems perfect, but there is one catch. This is with paid subscription. So if you buy this, you will pay about $60, and for the first year, your subscription is free. So you are getting 1 year of free software. But then if you want to continue using it, you will have to pay about $50 or $60 every year, which is basically price of the device itself. So it actually makes more sense to just sell old device for maybe $20 and then buy new one. Now at number 4 we have Ansel AD410 Pro. Now this is basically just a simple code reader. So code readers are not advanced like full system scanners. With code reader you can go only in engine module. You still will be able to clear check engine light, you can read engine codes, you can read engine data, you can display live data graphs from engine, you can check readiness monitors, so all of that basic stuff for engine is still there, but you cannot use it as full system. So you will not be able to connect to your ABS module, you cannot read your airbag faults, basically you can access only engine. But the reason why I'm putting it here is because it is actually 2-in-1 tool, so it is not only OBD2 scanner, but it is also battery analyzer. So this can analyze your battery, it can do alternator test, cranking test, you can check batteries in car, you can check batteries outside of car, so it is very handy tool. I have this in garage, I am using it always for checking batteries. Or then if I want to erase check engine light quickly, it is way easier to do it with code reader like this. Because with full system scanner, just setting it up took like 5 minutes, and with code reader I can get codes instantly. Just plug it in, read codes, clear codes, 15 seconds and job is done. So this one is not probably best pick as your only OBD2 scanner, but if you already have some tools and you want to get some backup tool that you just can throw in car or garage, this is perfect. For that quick engine diagnosing, for checking battery, very capable tool. Then at number 3 we have very easy to use scanner. It is full system scanner Thinkare BD6. So Thinkare BD6, it is similar to that Muker driver scan. It can scan all systems, it can read live data in every module, and it even has 5 service procedures, and this one is without subscription. It's not bidirectional, you don't have as many service resets, you have 5, but it is enough for that basic work like changing brake pads or resetting your oil interval. And it's very easy to use, you got free updates, so it will always work fine. Even for the newest cars, you will always be getting those updates. So this one is very good for checking used vehicles or keeping an eye of health of your car or cars if you manage more cars. But if you work a lot on cars, you might be missing more service resets or bidirectional testing. So if you want to have those, but you don't want to pay subscription, then the next pick is for you. At second place we have Xtool A30D. This is one of best smartphone scanners that is actually bidirectional. You have service resets, you have full system access, you can go in every module, you can read data, you can read faults, clear them. Scanner is working very good without any issues, and you have free lifetime updates. So basically this is perfect scanner for DIY use because you don't have to pay much. It is like $90. You can actually get discount if you use coupon code CARHACKER and you will get 10% off. Same for Thinkare BD6, same for Xtool A30, and same will be for pick number 1. And that is Mukar BT200 Max. So this is even cheaper than X2 A30, but basically it has same functionality. So you have full system scanner, you can do bidirectional testing, you can go into every module, read codes, clear codes, use service procedures. You have 15 service procedures you can use, and it is also with free lifetime updates. So basically same thing, but there are a few differences. First, you got AI, which is not most advanced yet, but I think they will keep making it better. And soon it will be really helpful, helping you solve codes. Now, it gives you some extra information about fault codes. It is already useful, but it's not like some magic thing that will help you solve your problems instantly. But then also what Muker BT200 Max can do, and X2 cannot, is connect to different apps. So same like if you have ELM adapter and you can use hundreds of different apps from your app store, same thing you can do with Muker BT200 Max. So at one side you have this professional software $fix app that will let you do full system diagnostics, but then you can also connect to different apps. So if you want to use apps like Car Scanner, Carista, Torque, whichever you are using, you can use it with this Mukar as well, so you don't have to buy another adapter. And yeah, these are my 5 best picks. Now, I also have website, and there is article best OBD2 scanners under $100. And I recommend you going into that article. It will be linked in description, because when there will be some new better picks under 100, I will update it in that article. So go check it now, because maybe there are already some better picks than these which I mentioned.